In this video, I'll show you step by step how to design a professional Shopify store from scratch in just. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a clear blueprint for building your store, but also learn how to use Shopify Page Builder to create almost any design you want. This is a step-by-step guide, so feel free to follow along and build your store as we go. To get started, we first need to create a Shopify account and claim the 3-month trial. First, open your browser and search for Shopify, then click on the first link as shown. Once there, type in your email and click Start Free Trial. Follow the prompts to answer a few questions about your business and finish setting up your account. Once that's done, your new Shopify store will be created. After setting up your account, navigate to the Shopify dashboard. To claim the 3-month trial, click on Select Plan in the bottom right, choose the basic plan, enter your payment details, and click Subscribe. Lastly, input your business address and click Confirm. With that, your 3-month trial is now activated. Now, let's start designing the store. In the dashboard, click on Online Store. Shopify comes with a default theme called Dawn theme, which is highly popular among successful stores. We'll stick with this theme for this tutorial. Click Customize to enter the Shopify editor. On the home page, we'll start by adding a beautiful image at the top. Click on the section, drag and drop your image, and adjust its opacity to brighten it up. Next, move the text to the left and align the button to the left as well. Update the text and button link to point to the All Products page. You can also check how your store looks on mobile by switching to mobile view, but we'll continue with the desktop view for now. To add products, go back to the dashboard, click on Products and select Add Product. For example, let's add a hoodie. Enter the product name, description, price, and upload high-quality images. Fill out inventory and shipping details if needed, then click Save. Repeat the process for additional products and you're good to go. Next, organize your products into collections. Go to the Collections tab in the dashboard. Delete the default homepage collection and create new ones such as men's clothing, women's clothing, and new arrivals. Add products to these collections by selecting them, clicking the 3 dots at the bottom, and choosing Add to Collection. Once your collections are ready, return to the Shopify editor to feature them on your homepage. Add a featured collection section and showcase your new arrivals collection. Below that, add a collection list section, reduce the number of columns to 2, and display the men's and women's collections. Update the titles for clarity and ensure users can easily navigate to each collection. Now, let's work on the header and footer. Start by uploading your logo and adjusting its position in the header. Update the menu items by going to the Navigation tab in the dashboard. Remove unnecessary items, add your collections, and reorder them as needed. For the footer, add social media icons and store policies. Use Shopify's built-in templates for privacy, refund, and terms of service policies, but customize them to suit your store. Before launching your store, go to the settings to finalize details. Add your official store name, check billing and currency settings, and activate Shopify payments. Adjust shipping rates for domestic and international orders and connect your domain or purchase a new one. Finally, remove the password protection by going to the Online Store tab and clicking Remove Password. And just like that, your Shopify store is live and ready for business. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.